Take this out. This wire. Here in the middle there is a 5-line with. Only these 2 wires are special. 5 wires in one. This one is for the motor. This one is for the instrumentation. Pull it out. And then from this place, take it off. Follow this. Pull it off. Here's another opening. Pull it out here. Then take this wire off. After removing this wire, take the meter off. Take the meter and remove the grip. There are more wires involved in the instrument cable. You have to follow the sequence to get through. If you are simply changing the meter, when you go from here to this side, this wire, blocking this position, then you can tie this position, and this position, and also directly around through the in can.